Hey, Brian from Garage Mahal. Today I have these lemon scent laundry detergent sheets. So these are pretty cool. You can do up to 200 loads with a box. And on the back, I'll give you some quick directions. Half sheet light load, 1 sheet medium load, and 2 sheets are larger for a heavy load or a really soiled load. So you basically pull these out, and then that is all I'm going to use for one load. Let me finish putting it back in here. A couple jeans, a couple towels. Put that door shut, open this, and basically you are just putting this into your laundry drawer. I'm going to fold it into squares so it fits in there nice and easy. And then we're just going to basically do a quick wash with this, and then we're going to start it. Kind of give you a quick look at how the water's flowing in there. We'll let that fill up a little bit more. But you can see how it's sudsing, and it is basically just kind of falling into its soap form. Pretty cool. So we'll let that run a little bit more. And then you can see how it's foaming up. So here we go. We're going to let that run, and we're good to go. But anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and be safe out there.